Welcome to Compare to Win. The best tumbler brush cleaner is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked tools for anyone who enjoys a perfectly clean tumbler, ensuring every sip is as refreshing as the first. And this innovative device promises to revolutionize how you maintain your favorite drinkware, making grime and residue a thing of the past with its powerful yet gentle cleaning action. Number 5. Holikme Bottle Brush Cleaning Lab Set. Introducing a comprehensive set of cleaning brushes designed for every need. From narrow tubes to wide decanters, we have you covered. Our extra-long 16-inch brush with wide bristles easily reaches the bottom of tall bottles. It's perfect for cleaning wine bottles, beer bottles, and even hummingbird feeders. The 10-inch sponge brush, made from soft material, is ideal for standard and wide-neck decanters, glass mugs, and sports bottles. It ensures a thorough clean without scratching. With its hard bristles, the 14-inch sports bottle brush effortlessly removes tough stains. Say goodbye to stubborn coffee, tea, and kettle marks with its sturdy handle. The set also includes compact spout and straw brushes, made from food-grade materials. They are perfect for detailed cleaning in your kitchen, ensuring no peculiar smell. All brushes are designed for easy storage and drying. Simply hang them on a hook to keep your kitchen tidy and your cleaning tools ready. What we like? This set offers an impressive variety of brush sizes and lengths, including an extra-long option perfect for those hard-to-reach bottle bottoms. If you frequently clean tall or narrow-necked items like wine bottles or hummingbird feeders, this is the ideal choice for a thorough clean. What people say. This brush cleaner is very effective at cleaning my tumblers. The design of the brush cleaner is very user-friendly and easy to use. It has multiple brush heads that can be used for different types of tumblers. Number 4. Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Cleaner Pack. Introducing the Turbo Microfiber Bottle Brush Cleaner Pack, your all-in-one solution for sparkling clean bottles. This comprehensive set tackles all your cleaning needs with ease. Our assortment includes brushes specifically designed for various bottle types. From wide water bottles to narrow baby bottles and even delicate straws, we have you covered. Crafted with durability in mind, each brush features a sturdy handle, stiff nylon bristles, and rust-resistant stainless steel. They are also dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning. Whether you own a Hydro Flask, Yeti, or any other popular brand, our brushes are designed to fit and clean them effectively. They are the perfect accessory for all your favorite bottles. Beyond bottles, this versatile set can tackle tumblers, wine decanters, and even your kitchen sink. Experience a thorough clean for all your household items. We are committed to your satisfaction. If you have any questions or concerns about your purchase, our dedicated team is ready to assist you. What we like? This pack provides a comprehensive assortment of brushes designed for durability and broad compatibility with popular bottle brands. If you're looking for a reliable, long-lasting set that can tackle everything from baby bottles to tumblers and is safe for the dishwasher, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The brush is sturdy and cleans well. It fits perfectly in my water bottle and gets all the gunk out. The handle is long enough to reach the bottom of my tall water bottle. Number 3. Bottle Brush Cleaner Set of 2. Tired of struggling to clean narrow openings? Our bottle brush set is designed for effortless deep cleaning, reaching every corner with ease. The extended handle provides a comfortable grip and allows you to easily clean the inside of tall bottles and jugs without any hassle. Perfect for a variety of containers, including sports bottles, beer bottles, and more. Keep all your bottles sparkling clean. Get 2 brushes in one convenient set. Use one for everyday cleaning and keep the other as a backup or for different uses. Achieve a superior clean every time. These brushes are your go-to solution for maintaining the hygiene of your favorite bottles. What we like? This offering provides 2 long-handled brushes specifically designed for narrow neck bottles and jugs. If your primary need is to efficiently clean sports bottles, beer bottles, or other containers with tight openings, this simple, effective set is a great value. What people say. It is a great brush for cleaning out the inside of the tumbler. It has a long handle that makes it easy to reach the bottom of the tumbler. The bristles are stiff enough to scrub away grime but soft enough not to scratch the inside of the tumbler. Number 2. Juvale 12 Stainless Steel Straw Cleaner Brush. Tired of dirty straws? Our stainless steel brushes are designed to thoroughly clean your reusable straws and water bottles. They effectively maintain both narrow and wide openings for a spotless finish. These cleaning brushes are incredibly adaptable. They work perfectly with metal, glass, silicone, and plastic straws of various shapes. Get a comprehensive clean every time. Built to last, these cleaners are made with stainless steel and a flexible nylon tip. They are designed for long-term use and easy storage, maintaining high-performance wash after wash. Measuring 12 inches long, each brush is compact and travel-friendly. Easily fit them into your bag for cleaning on the go. Enjoy convenience whether at home or out and about. This set includes 4 brushes, offering an ample supply for personal or shared use. They are not just for straws, they also work great as bottle cleaner brushes, enhancing their overall utility. What we like? This set features durable stainless steel brushes with flexible nylon tips, perfect for cleaning straws and narrow openings. If you prioritize portability and need a reliable tool for maintaining reusable straws, pipes, or small bottle spouts, these compact brushes are an excellent companion for on-the-go cleaning. What people say. This brush cleaner is very effective at cleaning my tumblers, leaving them sparkling clean. The design of the brush cleaner is ergonomic and easy to hold, making the cleaning process comfortable. It effectively removes stubborn stains and residues from the inside of the tumblers. Number 1. 3-in-1 Cup Lid Gap Cleaning Brush Set. Introducing our innovative 3-in-1 cleaning brush set. Each brush is designed with 3 distinct functions for a versatile and effective cleaning experience. With a rotatable bottle brush head, U-shaped silicone cupping brush, and a corner brush, it's perfect for cleaning various items. This tool adapts to all your cleaning needs. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with an ergonomic handle, it offers a comfortable grip. The strong bristles ensure excellent dirt removal, making it easy to use. This brush features a convenient hanging hole for easy draining and storage. Its new design is both beautiful and practical, saving you space. Surprise your friends with this unique cleaning tool. It's a thoughtful present that offers practical help and convenience for their daily lives. What we like? This innovative set offers a 3-in-1 cleaning solution with a rotating head and specialized brushes for different cup features. If you appreciate multifunctionality and need to tackle intricate areas like lid gaps and cup holders with ease, this unique tool will simplify your cleaning routine. What people say. This brush cleaner is very effective at removing stubborn residue from tumblers. The design of the brush allows it to reach all nooks and crannies, ensuring a thorough clean. It's incredibly easy to use, simply insert the brush and twist for a quick and efficient cleaning. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.